Welcome. If you're looking to take full control over your Telegram group and want to prevent even the group owner from deleting messages on Telegram web using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, managing permissions has become easier and more powerful than ever. Let's walk through the exact steps you need to follow to secure your group's message history. First, open Telegram web in your browser and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you are the owner. This process only works if you have ownership rights, so make sure you're managing the right group. Inside your group chat, look towards the top of the screen and click on the group's name. This will bring up the group's profile and settings panel. Here, you'll see an edit icon, usually represented by a pencil or similar symbol. Click on this icon to enter the group management settings. Now, from the menu that appears, find and select the administrator section. This is where you can see all the people who help manage your group, including yourself as the owner. Click on your own profile listed under Owners or Administrators. This will open up your specific permissions within the group. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the option labeled Delete Messages. By default, as the group owner, you have this permission enabled. To prevent yourself from deleting messages, whether by accident or intentionally, simply toggle off or disable the Delete Messages permission. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save to apply your new settings. With this permission turned off, even the group owner won't be able to delete messages in the group, ensuring that your group's conversations remain intact and protected from accidental or unwanted deletions. And that's it. You've now successfully locked down your Telegram group's message history on Telegram web. This is a great way to maintain transparency, keep a record of all discussions, and build trust among your members. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group admins who might benefit from these new Telegram features. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more secure group experience.